what's up, Joy fam? I am currently in the elevator headed down to the parking structure right now to go get my car because I'm going to Texas. So right now I'm in my car and I'm headed to Dallas because I'm going to the Amusement Expo, which I've gone 2 years now and it's amazing. Each year I've gone, there's so many new games there and they release a lot of the stuff that hasn't even been out yet, so I get to videotape it, play it, and show you guys what it's all about. What's going on, Joy fam? It's 6:35. I'm actually editing some videos right now. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek. I don't think the convention is actually gonna open until tomorrow, so really it's the boring stuff that you guys probably don't want to see, so I don't know how much I'll film today. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I'll take my camera anyways, but yeah. But so far it's been interesting. I mean, I'm staying at a pretty cheap hotel and my flight was super cheap, so it's not like any of this is like luxury, but honestly I don't need it for right now. So you never know, maybe if I become a bigger YouTuber, I'd be able to do one of those like $20,000 first class ticket. Is it worth it? You know, question mark, we'll see. All right, what is going on, guys? We are at the expo right now. It's day 2 and pretty excited. We're about to walk in, so I'll show you guys. I got my Zap t-shirt on, very nice. Alright, got a free bag. What's up, guys? We're going to be playing, I've never seen this before. It's Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory Coin Pusher, and I believe it's on free credit, so we'll just play it a little bit. I'll show you guys how it works. Alright, I'm just going to hold it down. It's more fun that way.
The most enormous miracle of the machine age.
They've got it's from the old movie, but they pretty much got all the characters.
No, but the card's still on. That's SpongeBob.
That's cool. I don't know what this music is, but it's interesting. This one doesn't do the oh, I guess it does. It's just like a different spinner. That's kind of interesting. Oh, I see. So it's like the same idea. You fill up the lights on the circle.
You're going to love this. Just love it.
Oh, I guess that's all the credits. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's all the cards. Here's Wizard of Oz, of course. This has been out for forever, it seems like. Here we go. There's some Elots, of course, everyone's favorite. Look at this rubber ducky one. These are kind of cool.
Want me to video from the side?
Oh, no, it's alright. I don't even think it's working. Let's go for this one, I guess. Oh. Got it. Here's a pretty new game. I don't think I've ever seen this before, but it's like a rotary game, but it's got a crane in it. It's kind of cool. Oh, that's how it works, I guess. I don't even know there is oh, that makes sense. You can only go up and back. Duh. So let's see. Let's try for a candy. I hate how it does that though. That's just like mean. It just stops. Let's try for this ring pop right here. Oh. Oh. This thing is very small. It feels like I'm playing one of those like ones that you buy for your home. But let's see. Oh, oh, got it. Good. Cool. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go for this one. This one should be. Oh, I think oh, got it. I haven't seen this one before. Like a circus coin pusher. That's kind of cool. Put some free plays on here. This one doesn't really have the card system, I guess. It's more of just ease. See if we can get 100. Press the button and it's already over. Oh, I see. So you just gotta wait till it gets to... Okay. That's easy enough. So you just work your way up the tower. We're almost there. Aww. I could see how this game could be like very easily rigged. Can't really get the thing in the whole shot, but alright, here we go. Aww. I feel like it's rigged. Alright guys, we're playing
hard because it's not as easy to line up as this one.